You gonna get up? Come on, let's go. Good morning. Do a big stretch. Do a big stretch this morning. Come on. Big stretch. Oh, I know. It's hard to get out of bed. I know. Still have to get out of bed though, baby.